Hello friends, I welcome you all in my kitchen at Healthy Kadhai. Today we'll be making one of the healthiest brownies which you can have for your dessert. These brownies are eggless, sugarless, fat-free, oil-free, and even we have not used refined flour or whole wheat flour. You will simply gonna love it. So let's quickly see how to make these wonderful healthy brownies. As always, please do like our videos, share our videos with your friends and family, and subscribe to Healthy Kadhai if you are new to our channel. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes. Firstly, we'll combine all the dry ingredients in a bowl. Here is my 1 cup of oats flour. To this we'll add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. So here goes 1 tablespoon. And here goes the second tablespoon. Add half a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and we'll mix everything. We'll keep it aside. Now we'll take a mixer grinder jar into which we'll add all the wet ingredients along with dry ingredients. Firstly goes 1/3 cup of curd. Then we'll add 1/4 cup of jaggery. You can even use jaggery powder, brown sugar, maple syrup, any other substitute to normal white sugar. And we will add half banana in it. Here goes my banana. We will also add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And then we will add all our dry ingredients in the wet ingredients. Then we'll blend all the ingredients together. After blending, here is my batter ready. Now we'll transfer this batter in a greased dish. I'll be baking my brownies in air fryer, so I've already greased my baking dish. And we'll transfer it. After transferring all the batter, then we'll sprinkle few walnuts on top of it. Our brownie batter is ready to go in air fryer for baking. We have already preheated our air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Now we'll place our batter into the air fry basket and we'll bake it at 160 degrees for 15 minutes. Do not overbake these brownies, otherwise it will become dry. So we'll check after 12 minutes. One can even bake the brownies in oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Or if you do not want to bake it in oven or air fryer, then you can even bake it in a kadhai, keeping salt, and then you can bake your brownies. Have a look at my brownie. My brownie got ready in just 13 minutes. So we'll allow our brownies to cool down completely and then we'll serve it. Here is my low calorie brownies ready to serve. So whenever you want to have something for dessert, then you can make these brownies. These are guilt free. We have not used sugar, oil. Even these brownies are gluten free. Just have a closer look at my brownie. It has been baked perfectly well. Do try out our brownie recipe. I'm sure you will really like it. Let me know how does it turn out for you. To know more such interesting recipes, click on the links which are flashing on the screen here. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.